Greetings. I am Kelli McLoud-Schingen, Vice President for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion.
I am Miriam Belmaker, Associate Professor of Anthropology. Friday, January 27th, 2023, marks International Holocaust Memorial Day, the 78th anniversary of the liberation of the Auschwitz-Birkenau concentration camp in Poland, and honors the memory of 6 million Jewish victims, women, men, and children, eliminated, 2/3 of the Jewish population of Europe. On this day, we also remember all other victims murdered during the Holocaust, including 250,000 people with disabilities, 250,000 Romani people, nearly 2,000 Jehovah's Witnesses, and hundreds, possibly thousands, of LGBTQ+ individuals. I am a third-generation Holocaust survivor. Of my grandfather's large family, only he was able to escape. This day is not an abstract figment of history, but a stark reality. With the rise of anti-Semitism worldwide, it is imperative we use this day to pause, reflect, and learn.
TU is committed to fostering a more inclusive campus and partnering with local organizations and synagogues to ensure that our Jewish faculty, staff, and students feel seen, supported, and valued. As we arrive in our classrooms and offices, we ask that you take a moment to reflect on this day and commit to standing against intolerance and oppression of people of every race, religion, culture, nation, gender, and ethnicity. We must do more than make the statement, "Never again." We must be diligent in the fight against crimes of humanity, and we must fight every example of evil and oppression.